Life is a journey, not a destination. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Life is a journey, not a destination. It's a mantra that holds true throughout our lives. As we navigate through various experiences, challenges, and achievements, understanding the deeper meaning of this proverb allows us to gain wisdom and live a more fulfilling existence. In this journey called life, each moment carries significance. It's not just about reaching the end goal or attaining material success. It's about enjoying the process, learning from our experiences, and embracing the lessons that come our way. Focusing solely on the destination can blind us to the beauty and growth opportunities that lie in every step we take. When we shift our perspective to view life as a journey, we open ourselves up to greater possibilities. We learn to surrender control and flow with the uncertainties that come our way. Instead of constantly chasing the next milestone, we start appreciating the present moment and savoring the small joys that enrich our lives. Embracing life as a journey allows us to cultivate resilience and face challenges head-on. Difficulties become stepping stones rather than insurmountable obstacles. We learn to adapt, grow, and discover our true potential. With this mindset, even failures become valuable experiences that teach us important lessons and propel us forward towards success. Luck, in this journey of life, is no longer a mere coincidence, but a reflection of our mindset and action. By staying open-minded, embracing opportunities, and taking calculated risks, we can create our own luck. We attract positive outcomes by staying optimistic, seeking out new experiences, and maintaining a growth mindset. To apply this mantra to our lives, we must first understand that success is not solely defined by the achievement of a specific goal or destination. It is a continuous process of personal growth, self-discovery, and self-improvement. We need to set goals and work towards them, but also understand that the journey itself is just as important. In our pursuit of success, we may encounter setbacks and obstacles. However, by embracing the journey, we develop resilience and the ability to bounce back from failures. We learn to see these setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. This mindset allows us to persevere, overcome challenges, and ultimately achieve our goals. Moreover, embracing life as a journey allows us to find joy and fulfillment in the present moment. We become aware of the beauty and blessings that surround us. We find gratitude for the simple things in life and appreciate the relationships, experiences, and lessons that come our way. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.